Myra here and welcome back to another video. For today, I created this look. Dahil this is the time na maraming mga gatherings, family reunions, and Christmas parties, I decided to create this look for you para matry nyo sa inyong mga events. So, if you want to know how I did this look, keep on watching. So, to start off, mag-prep lang ako ng face. And I'm going to use this Lux Organics Rose Water Glow Mist. Yan. Habang pinapatuyo ko yung mist, gawin ko na yung aking kilay. And I will be using this Maybelline Fashion Brow. Next, for my foundation, I'll be using this BLK All Day Matte Liquid Foundation in the shade Sand. For my concealer, I'll be using my FOCALLURE concealer in the shade 02. Next, I'll set my face with my NICHIDO Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. For today, I will be using this Careline Play to Slay palette. And to start off, I will be using this shade right here for my transition. So I will deepen that shade using this color right here with a slightly smaller blending brush. So to bring a bit more depth, I'll be using this shade right here with a flat shader or a flat smudger brush. Then lalagay ko siya sa corner, outer corner. So lalagyan ko siya. Then, with a flat brush, I'll take this shade right here, yung matte na light. And then, lalagay ko siya sa inner part ng lid. Blending it out. So, I'll also use that same shade under the brown bone. I'll go back with a shader brush And then, get the same brown shade and put it underneath. So I'll just do this on the other side and then put some liner and mascara and I will be back. Eyes are done. Ang ginamit kong liner is my favorite Careline Graph Ink Liner. And then for the mascara, I used HYPERCURL Volume Express by Maybelline. Tapos, pinatuwan ko siya ng SANSAN High Definition Volumizing Comb Mascara para madagdagan lang ng para magkaroon lang siya ng volume. Now, let's proceed to the rest of the face. I will now contour my face and I will be using Aura Contour in the shade PORSHUR. Ayan. Magko-contour na rin ako ng nose. I'll be using the same product as what I used on my cheeks. So for my blush, I will be using a peachy and a parang orangey na blush. I'll just mix them together. And then I'll put it on the apples of my cheeks, blending it outwards. Light lang sa blush kasi ayokong matanggal yung focus sa eyes. So, just a little color on the cheeks. Then, for my highlight, ito na rin Careline Play to Slay ang gagamitin ko. So, yung highlighting shade dito. Yan, natatapos na tayo. And then for the lips, I will be using this Maybelline Spice For Me. Okay, tapos pinatuhan ko siya ng konting Vice Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade IZKERAVU. So, dot lang para mahabol yung konting peachy shade on the eyes. So, dot lang. And then, I spread it around. And we're done. That is it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa look na ginawa ko for today. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye! No, 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 no.